Hello guys, it's Robbie here from Mary and Robbie. Today I'm going to show you a couple of my airsoft guns. The big black one is an M82, which is mine, that my uncle gave me. This here is a Colt 1911, which is my friend's. He took his laser off. By the way, my laser is broken, so I got to get a new one. This is a pretty good pistol, except he lost the clip when he was out playing airsoft. So I'm just going to show you how mine shoots. And it shoots a single shot and an automatic shot. It's pretty good. It's got itself a flashlight, scope with a, let me see if I can get it so you guys can see it. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can't see it, but inside of there, it's like a little red cross. There you go. Hey, yeah, there it is. Yeah, and you can turn it off and on. There's my laser right there, but it's broken. Got the handle and everything. I already got it loaded. Just gonna set up the camera, shoot it away. Get a spot where you guys can see. Alright. Sorry, the camera just ain't working today. Yeah, I know I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I have a 4-day weekend off of school, so I decided to make a video for you. First, we're going to start with a little bit of single shot. Now we'll do a quick automatic. We'll do some more single shot until I empty up the clip. That was tight. Let's check it out. We tore up this target pretty good. I tried to keep it out of the black circle because it's hard to see when it gets in the black circle. But you can see outside of that we pretty much tore it up. Yeah, I started high school this year, St. George's Votech. Yeah, there it is. I'll show you guys how to load it and I'll shoot it again. Alright, let me get my loading tools. BBs. Loader. Loader. BBs. That red Lego box on the shelf there. Filled with like 15,000 BBs. Right. Take the ramrod. Take the extra BBs. Take this. And now we shoot again. Yes, you are right under the target. Wow. That's it for now. Oh yeah, by the way, got contacts. And I'm starting a new project on the model trains. That's all for now. Bye.